Good morning. Today we're working on a Chery Tiggo 4 Pro. The reason why is because there's a rattle in the center console. But I just want to show you guys how to strip this whole section. Yeah, so first thing you do is the strip, the material, you take that off. So you take your fingers and you just pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it some more, pull the last one, and there you go, that's off. Second step you need to do is the radio controls, infotainment controls, you have to remove. So by that, you're gonna need a Phillips screwdriver or a ratchet like I'm using. You take out the two Phillips heads. Yeah. I'll get that now. Put your screws on a safe place. You pull that at the back of the controls. You get the plug. Press it up and pull. That's out. Put that on the safe place. To get this out, you need to pull and pull, pull. It's a plug at the back, blue plug with a purple tab. Press the blue thing down, lift up the purple tab, off. Put that on a safe place. For this section, gonna have to start at the back. Start pulling, pulling. If you feel unsafe using your hands, you can use a plastic clip lifter, prying tool. That's what you can use. But I prefer my hands because to me it feels safer, so I won't make any scratches. Put tight. Yeah, there you go. And that's out. Then you get your parking brake plug, unplug your plug for your illumination on your gears, plug that out. You have to put the car in neutral. So if you have to put the car in neutral, start, that's neutral, switch the car off. And there you go. So the common situation on this rattle is the cable of the gear shifter. So alright, let me get this. On the inside, let me get the flash. See that there? I just put some plastic adhesive on there because the cable's housing tends to swivel around, so that will keep it sturdy. Yeah, and if you want to put everything back together, just do the steps in reverse, and there you go. Thanks for watching, guys.